The European Union has asked Meta to disable several default features on Facebook and Instagram, saying they encourage addictive behavior and may violate the bloc's Digital Services Act. In its preliminary findings, the European Commission said Meta had failed to properly assess the risks posed by features such as infinite scrolling, autoplay videos, personalized recommendations, and push notifications, particularly to children and teenagers. The Commission said these features encourage compulsive use by keeping users engaged continuously. The EU said Meta should redesign these features so they are not enabled by default. It also called for stronger measures to encourage users to take screen time breaks and recommended changes to the content recommendation system to make it less focused on maximizing engagement. The Commission further noted that existing parental screen time controls could be easily bypassed and were not effective in reducing usage. Meta has been given an opportunity to respond before the Commission issues its final decision. If found in violation of the Digital Services Act, the company could face a fine of up to 6% of its global annual revenue. Responding to the findings, Meta said the Commission had overlooked the safety measures it had already introduced, including teen accounts, which it said were designed to provide stronger protections for younger users.